Good morning, dear students. Myself TC Pandey from DPS Halzwani Lamachor. So, students, we have completed the chapter statistics. Now we will start chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 name is Heron's formula. So, students, Heron's formula is for finding the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle means like a scalene triangle. You can find the area it easily. Earlier classes, we know that to find the area of a triangle, what we can do. So if the triangle is of like this right angle triangle, suppose the base is B and the height is H. So how we can find the area of a triangle? We know that the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So students, half into base into height. If the triangle is of right angle triangle, we can find the area easily. But if the triangle is a scalene triangle means students, scalene triangle means when all the sides are unequal. So how we can find the area of these types of triangle? So Heron's have put a formula that root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So what we have to do it, students, suppose a triangle is like this. It's one side is a, one side is b, and one side is c. And a, b, c are the vertices of this triangle. If the length of the one side is a, one side is b, and one side is c. So how we can find it? So Heron's said that perimeter of a triangle is equal to. Okay, students, first thing is that what is the perimeter of a triangle? How we can find the perimeter of any of the triangle? We know that to find the perimeter of triangle, we have to add all the sides. So we can say it here a plus b plus c. So perimeter of a triangle is equal to a plus b plus c. Now Heron's have put it that perimeter of a triangle means perimeter he has given by 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. Means 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. So how we can find s? We can write it here. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. This is called, students, s means semi-perimeter and 2s means perimeter. So students, to finding the area of a triangle, so the Heron's formula is to find the area of any triangle, root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So students, this is the formula for finding the area of a triangle, and this formula is called Heron's formula. So you can say that Heron's formula is for finding the area of any triangle. First we have to find the value of s. How we can find the value of s? S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, means all sides divided by 2, sum of all sides divided by 2, and then area of triangle is equal to root s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So this is called Heron's formula. So students, in first question what we have to do? Exercise 12.1. In exercise 12.1, first question, when all the sides of a triangle is a, means a signboard is here. It is written in your book that in first question a board is there, a school board, school ahead. A signboard is here like this. It is written that school ahead. In this board it is written that school ahead, and all the sides of this board is a. It is given in your book. This is the question number 1. So students, we can write it a b c, or a b c. A is the vertices of this one, b and c. So we have to find the area of this board with all sides are a here. So students, I have told you that one thing is that first we have to find the value of s. So how we can find the value of s? S means, so 2s is equal to, we can write it a plus a plus a. So 2s means, students, 2s is equal to perimeter of the triangle. So 2s is equal to a plus a plus a. How many a are here? 3. So we can write it 3a. So it means 2s is equal to 3a. So s is equal to 3a by 2. Now again we have to find the area. So what we have to do? Area of triangle is equal to, we know that root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So students, we have to put all the values here. So student, here A, B and C, here A, B and C, all the sides are same. It is given in your book. So what we have to put it here? A is equal to A, B is equal to A and C is equal to A. So we have to put it here. Area of triangle is equal to A, S means 3A by 2. We have found it. S is equal to 3A by 2. So we can write it here 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. So now find the area of a triangle. 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A. 3A by 2 minus A again. Take the LCM. LCM is 2 here. So 3A minus 2A by A. So we can write it A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. So student, we know that how to solve the square roots. Square root means we have to make the pair. Here 2 A's are here. So we can write it. We have to write it like this. A into A upon 2 and 2. The pair of 2 are also here. So we can write it here 2 into 2. What is left? Left is root 3. Root 3 is left. So we can say it root 3 A square by 4 root 3. Either you can say that root 3 by 4 A square. So student, you have to remember it also that root 3 by 4 A square is the formula for finding the equilateral triangle, for formula for finding the area of any equilateral triangle. So we have found it root 3 by 4 A square. Now students, this one we have done. Now the second part is, it is given that in your book that second part of this question is, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? If its perimeter is 180 centimeter. Now students, we will do it here. You can note it down, this question. Now the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equal to, it is given that 180 centimeter. Now again student, that was the first part. When the all sides are A, we have to find the area of this triangle. So we have found it root 3 by 4 A square. Now student, if the perimeter is given 180 centimeter. Now again, triangle is equilateral triangle, we know that. It is given in your book and the perimeter of this triangle is 180 centimeter. So what we have to do? Perimeter means we know that sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides is A plus A plus A is equal to 180. So we can say that 3A is equal to 180. So student, A is equal to, we can say that 180 by 3. A is equal to 60 centimeters. Now students, all the sides are equal. It means all the sides are of 60 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. Now student, we have to find first S. How we can find the value of S here? S is, it is given that perimeter is equal to 180 centimeters. Perimeter means 2S is equal to 180. It means, so we can say that S is equal to 290 180. So S is equal to, so the value of S is equal to 90 centimeters. Now we can find the formula easily. So now we can find the area. Area of triangle is equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So students, we can write it. So the value of S is coming. S we have found at 90 centimeters. So we have to put the value of S is here. S, A, B and C. Here A, B and C all are same. So the value of A we have to put it here. So we can write it 90. 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60. So students, we have put it all the values. Now we have to solve it by square root method. Square root method means we can write it 90 means 3 into 30. 90 minus 60 is 30. 30 and 30. So students, there are 4 30s are coming. So we can make pair 30 into 30 and one more 30 into 30 and 3 is left. Means root 3 is left. So what we can write, students? We can write it 30 into 30 means 900 root 3 centimeter square. So the area of this board, students, area of this board is 900 root 3 centimeter square. So student, how we have found it? I have told you that all the sides are equal, it is given. So we have put it into the formula. So we have found 3a by 2, 3a by 2 minus a, 3a by 2 minus a, 3a by 2 minus a. So we have solved it. We have taken the LCM. So 3a minus 2a is a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2, and 3a by 2 we have written it here. So we have found first term is that root 3 by 4 into a square. Now the second part of this question is perimeter is given that 180 and all sides are equal. So first we have to find the sides. So we have found the side because a plus a means all sides are equal. So we can say that 3a is equal to 180 means a is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 centimeter. So 60 centimeter is coming, student. Now s is equal to, now 2s is equal to 180 centimeter. We have written 2s is equal to 180 centimeter because the perimeter of this triangle is given that 180 centimeter. So 2s is equal to 180 means we can say that s is equal to 90 centimeter because 180 by 2 is 90 centimeter. Again we have put it the formula, area of triangle is equal to root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So is equal to s means 90 and 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60 and 90 minus 60. So 3 into 30 into 30 into 30 into 30 means we have make the pairs 30 into 30 1 pair, 30 into 30 1 pair means 30 into 30 is 900 root 3 centimeter square. So students, that was the first question. We have done it. You can pause the video and note it down. Then after we will start question number 2. Now students, we will start question number 2. Now question number 2 is that one. Question number 2 is the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. It is given in your book, and these sides of the walls are 22 and 120 meters. So first we will write the sides of the wall. Sides of the wall. Sides of the wall means, students, we can write it like this. First side is A is equal to 122 meter, B is equal to 22 meter and C is equal to 120 meter. Now we have to find that the advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square. It is given that, student, per meter square means the area of any triangle. So what we have to find? We have to find the first find the area of this triangle. So for finding the area of the triangle, student, what we have to do? I have told you that to finding all the sides are unequal, A is equal to 122, B is equal to 22 and C is equal to 120 meters. So means all sides are unequal. So what we have to do? We have to use the formula for finding the area of a triangle. We have to use the formula, Heron's formula. So for finding Heron's formula, what we have to do? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So students, A plus B plus C by 2, again 122 plus 22 plus 120 upon 2, that is 2 to 4 and 2 to 4 and 2 6 and 1 and 1 2 divided by 2. It is coming, student, 264. 264 we have to divide it by 2 because 22 is here, so 3. So 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, that is 132 centimeter is coming S. So the semi perimeter is coming S is equal to 132 centimeter. Now student, we have to find the area. So we have to use the formula again, area of triangle. We have to note down the formula again and again because when we will write formula 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, we will remember it. So area of triangle is equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So students, now the value of S is coming 132 and the value of A is 122 minus 22 and third side is 132 minus 120. So these are the values we have put it here, students. Value of A is 122 and B is 22 meter and C is that one. This is also meter, student, because all sides of the wall it is given. I think it is given that meter is given, so we have to put meter also. So students, now again finding the area, we have to use the square root method. We have to find the factors. We can write it 132 into 132 minus 122, that is 10, into 132 minus 22, that is 110, into 132 minus 120, that is 12. So students, 132 means I think 11 into 12 is 132. So we have to put it here, 11 into 12 into 10 into 11 into 10 into 12. Now we have to make the pairs. 10 10 one pair, 12 12 is one pair, and 11 11 is one pair. So all are coming in pair form. So what we have to do, 11 into 12 into 10. 11 into 12 is 132 into 10, that is 1320 meter square. So student, this is coming, so the area of this triangle, it is coming 1320 meter square. So we have found it easily by making the pairs. Now students, the rest part is what we have to find in this question. We have to find that the advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5000 per meter square per year. So you can say that earning per year is equal to 5000 meter square, right? Earning per year is rupees 5000 per meter square, means earning per year rupees 5000 per meter square. It is given, that means 1 meter square earning is rupees 5000, and we have to find the earning for how many years? We have to find the earning for 3 months. So for 3 months, earning for 3 months, what we have to do, students? Earning for 3 months. 3 months means we can write it like this, 3 by 12, because 1 year have how many months? 12 months is there. So 3 months we have to convert it into years, because it is given in per year. So because earning is given in per year, so we have to convert 3 months into year. So 3 months into year means 3 by 12 years we can write. So earning for 3 months is equal to, what we have to do, means 1320 into 5000 into 3 by 12. Now students, we have to solve it, because 1320 is the per meter square, means 1 meter square is 1320 meter square total is given, and earning is rupees, 1 meter square earning is rupees 5000. So 1320 meter square earning is 1320 into 5000, and how many years are given? 3 months are given. So we have put it 3 by 12. So 3 by 12 means we can write it 3 by 1 by 4, and 4 we have to cancel it out, because 4 5 are 20, last digits are 20, so it may be divided by 4. So 4 3 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 330. Now 330 into 5000, we have to do 330 into 5000. So students, it is coming, how many zeros are? 4 zeros are here, 5 3 are 15, 5 3 are 15, and 1 16. So for 3 months earning is, students, it is coming 16,50,000 rupees. So students, that's all. We have done this question also. So student, now you can pause the video and note it down. Then after we will do the next question. So students, you have to note down all these questions in your notebook, and you have to solve it. Then after we will do the rest questions in our next exercise. So I am giving you some extra questions, so you have to do it in your rough notebook. I am writing it here. Students, pause the video and note it down. Now students, I have written 3 questions. 3 questions you have to solve in your rough notebook. These 3 questions are, first one is, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 60 meter, find its area. Means the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, it is given that 60 meter, and then find its area. Means you have to find the first you have to find the sides, and then find S, and then find the area of this triangle. Second question is, find the area of a triangle, 2 sides of which are 16 and 22 centimeter. and its perimeter is 64 centimeter. Now in this question, student, two sides are given 16 and 22 centimeter. So first you have to find the third side. How you can find the third side? Because the perimeter is given there 64 centimeter, so you can find the third side by 64 minus this plus this. You can find third side and then find the area by using Heron's formula. And then third question is, student, sides of a triangle are 10, 100 meter, 120 meter and 140 meter. To find its area. So A, B and C, all the three things are given. So you have to find the area with the help of this one, with the help of Heron's formula. So students, that two questions you have to write in your fair notebook, and these three questions you have to solve in your rough notebook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in Google Meet also, and either you can tell me in WhatsApp also. Okay students, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.